Idyllwild again. When we got up here, there was snow. We didn't even know it before we got here.
It's not slippery. It's not slippery. It's not slippery. It's not slippery. Hi. Don't film me falling. This is a rock. Not Iraq next to Iran and Syria, but a rock. Right, Katie?
Yes.
Yes, that's a rock. This is Idyllwild.
Big storm coming in.
With a big storm coming in. So you can't see the mountains. It's all fog.
Pretty neat.
Yeah. It's really moving in quickly. Alright, here's our tent, which is nothing unusual, but here is all the snow next to it. It rained heavily last night, but the snow persisted because it was so deep. But it's pretty cool to have all the snow out here on the prop. Some more snowy property shots, because it's pretty cool. You don't get this in San Diego, do you?
No.
No, you don't. Do you like it?
I love it.
Yeah. Do you like it? Does it make you want to jump up and down?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, Gavin does.
1 foot. Very nice.